Good evening, sir.
Very good evening, sir. And could you tell me where do you work?
I work at Visa Consultancy Office, Vijayawada.
Okay, sir. And which type of applicants approach you?
Yeah, there are different type of applicants approach me.
Yeah.
Yeah, there are different type of visas. One is student visas, and second one is visiting visas, and third one is working visas.
Yes, sir. How many types of students visa?
Yeah, student visas are two types. One is F1 and another one is F2.
Yes, sir. F1 means
F1 means the students who have interest to study in abroad apply this type of visas.
okay, sir. How many years validity of the F1?
Yeah, 4 years validity F1 visa.
Okay, what about F2?
F2 visa is a dependent visa in F1.
Sir, second one is you told that is visiting visa. How many types are there?
Visiting visas there are different types, but mainly uses B1, B2 business and tourism visa.
Okay, sir. Next one, how many years validity?
B1, B2 visa validity 10 years.
So next one, third one. We told that is working visa. Yes. So how many types are there?
Yeah, working visas there are two types. One is H1 visa, H1B, and another one is H4.
Okay. What about H1, sir?
Yeah, H1B visa is the persons who have interest to work in United States apply this type of visas.
Okay, sir. Nice, sir. Next, what about H4?
Yeah, H4 visa is a dependent visa in H1B.
Okay, sir. How many members do they allow?
Yeah, they allow two persons only.
Okay. So how many years validity?
Depends on permit visa, their work visa.
Okay, sir.
Maximum 2 years.
Yes, sir. And would you suggest for my students which universities are best in the United States?
Yeah, there are more number of universities are there, but I suggested some universities only.
Okay, sir.
One is St. Louis University, and another one is Bridgeport University, and Cleveland State University, and New Haven University.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and Silicon Andhra University. Enough, sir.
Okay, nice, sir. Nice talking to you.
Okay, thank you, sir.